Is just showing you how to find the volume of a sphere. Okay, the main thing you need to know is your radius. So the formula is 4/3 pi r to the third power. I don't like how this is written, so what I end up doing is just taking the 4/3 in the front and putting the third at the bottom. Okay, so pretty much substitution. You're going to do 4 times pi, which is 3.14, times your radius, which is 6 to the third power, all over 3. Now, when you're doing that, 6 to the third power, remember 6 to the third power is the same thing as 6 times 6 times 6, right? Right there. So when you do that math, you can actually just plug in the whole top at one time to where you have 4 times 3.14 times 6 times 6 times 6. Now I use a parentheses because this one has a decimal in it, so I don't get confused in putting a time sign right there. I get that total answer and then just divide by 3. Okay, so let's see what that answer ends up being. So 4 times 3.14 times 6 times 6 times 6 equals 2,712.96, all divided by 3. So when you divide that by 3, you end up with 904.32. And I didn't give you a units, but it doesn't matter if it was inches. Your units always for volume is going to be the units to the third power. So it would be inches to the third power. And the reason for that is this is technically 4 is part of the formula, pi is part of the formula. There's no units with that, but there is a 6 inches, a 6 inches, and a 6 inches. Well, inches times inches is inches squared. Inches squared times another inches will be inches to the third. So your final answer would be 904.32. Again, so the first thing, always make sure you remember your formulas. 4/3 pi r to the third power. I just put the 3 under the whole equation. So solve the top part, divide by 3. Just cut it by 3. Okay? Thank you.